So sometime back when I was traveling to another city via my personal vehicle, and I parked on the side to stretch my legs, and when I came back, my car battery drained down and it just wouldn't start. I was stuck in middle of nowhere for about 3 hours, and honestly that experience made me realize the importance of having proper emergency tools for such situations. Hey, I'm Santa and welcome to the channel where I try to review products with real facts without sugarcoating and marketing hype. Just honest reviews you can actually trust. And today I want to cover a car emergency toolkit from WOLFBOX. And I'm also going to show you a live test scenario on how this thing actually works. So inside the box we get a hard shell carry case containing user guides, an air hose, extra nozzles, a type C to C cable, jumper cables, and then finally our device. And it's quite heavy, weighing around 1.5 kilograms. At the front we have some details and buttons, on the side we get some branding and jumper cables connector. At the back we have some specifications and also a quick startup guide. And on the top we get air hose connector, charging ports, and big flashlight which is actually very bright. Now to turn on the device, just hold the power button for a few seconds and we get a digital display showing the air compressor setup for the car. We can also change the measuring unit, switch between modes and adjust the pressure values as per our needs. Taking a look at the product page, it's currently selling for about $140 and it's also available on Amazon India, but the price is a bit steep. And apart from the discussed features, it also comes with 43-month extended warranty and a peak current of 4000 amperes. And why this number matters is because it gives an idea of how powerful the jump starter is and what type of engines it can support. In my case, I drive a Swift which doesn't require a very high starting current, so this unit should handle it very easily. Now this requirement can vary from vehicle to vehicle, but with peak 4000 amps rating, it should comfortably support most petrol and diesel vehicles. It also comes packed with multiple built-in safety protections and a massive 24,000 mAh battery serving for multiple jumpstart attempts and 65-watt fast charging. Now at this point you might also come across some really cheap alternatives, but once you look down at their specifications, they might not even mention about their average current ratings and may not reliably deliver their claimed peak current values, and are better suited as just a power bank or maybe an air compressor at best. Now time to test it out in real scenarios. Starting with air compressor. And yeah, it's very loud and shakes quite a lot. You can also see the device moving around slowly, but that's totally normal, and surprisingly it fills up the air pretty fast. During my testing it felt quite quick and you can clearly see the difference. I intentionally drained my car battery so that it wouldn't self-start. And now I have connected the jumper cables, and make sure you are connecting the correct terminals. Then you will see a green light near the port. Now in case this light is blinking or unstable, you need to press the boost button or refer to the user manual for proper instructions with the light indication. And once the green light becomes stable, you can now start the car.
Start.
And it actually works. Take off the cables within 30 seconds and that's all. We are all done. I'm still at full battery even after filling up 2 tires and jump starting my car once. Now concluding the video, if you are someone who travels a lot via car, it honestly feels like one of those must-have tools for your vehicles. Yes, it's definitely an investment, but it's also the kind of thing that can genuinely save you during serious situations. And even if you do plan to go for an alternative cheap option, just make sure you are properly checking the specifications, especially the peak current values and battery capacity. Now I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I hope you never end up in an emergency situation like this, but if you do, you'll definitely be glad to have it with you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and eat healthy.